So if you're posting your videos directly to public on YouTube, this is one of the reasons why you are not getting views and subscribers on your YouTube channel. So I'm going to be sharing with you what you actually need to do and why you should do it. Welcome back everyone to this channel, Learn with Jumi. My name is Jumi and I'm going to be teaching you what exactly you need to be doing to get more views on your YouTube channel. So now you are a small YouTuber, you're trying to grow your channel to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour on time so that you can meet up with the requirement for your YouTube monetization. Now you'll be posting and you can realize that you are not getting a lot of views on YouTube. For me, when I created this particular channel, I have other channels I also post on, but when I created this particular channel for the purpose of tutorials, I was able to monetize this channel in 5 weeks. And how was I able to do that? This particular thing I'm sharing with you right now is one of the ways I was able to do it. So now the first thing I always advise young YouTubers when they want to post on YouTube is to use the Chrome version. If you're using your phone, don't just go to your YouTube Studio app and post. Don't just post through your YouTube Studio. If you're using a laptop, better for you, you get the better version of YouTube Studio. That way you have more features that you're supposed to use to be able to post on YouTube. So if you're going to be posting on your phone, you go to your Chrome. So under Chrome, you click on studio.youtube.com/dashboard. This particular thing you're seeing right here, that is what you're going to type in your Google Chrome. Once you do that, you click on YouTube dashboard. It's going to take you to the exact version you find on your laptop. If you post like this, you're going to be seeing a bigger version and more features of your YouTube Studio than if you're using the YouTube Studio app. You can see with this one you can upload video normally like you do if you're using your laptop. That is exactly what you should do. One thing with posting content on YouTube is you do not need to rush. I must be honest with you, especially when you want to post, you have a content you want to post, you do not need to rush about, oh, I need a lot of persons to see this content. No, this is not about you. This is about the YouTube algorithm understanding your content first. That is why we don't always advise YouTubers to post immediately. Like when you just upload a video, you put it to public. No, because that way the algorithm might only send your feed to random people, and that is exactly what you do not want. You do not want your videos going to random people. You need a lot of persons who can see your video. So after you have recorded your video, the next thing you need to do is upload it, right? So when you click on the create on your YouTube Studio, like said, you use the Chrome version if you're using a phone, but if you're using a laptop, you're good, because that is the best version to use. So let's say, for example, you're trying to upload a video. So let's quickly do that. I'm going to be using a random video here. I'll just use a very random. So let's say this is the video I am uploading. I'm just using this as an example. So now once I get to my visibility, which is right here, for private is only you and people you choose can watch this video. What this means is that, for example, you have some persons that you want them to watch this video before you take this video to public, or you work as a team and one of your team members just edited and uploaded the video. They want other persons to watch. You can send them the link, they can watch it privately. Next is unlisted. Anyone with the link can watch. Yes, anyone with this link can also watch. Tip: select these settings and wait a couple of hours to see if any monetization or visibility issues are found. Then you publish your video. This is when, if it is unlisted. Now the next is for members only. These are for people that maybe subscribe to you and they are exclusive things that you want only them to see on your channel. That is for members only. Then public is actually where everyone can watch. Now the next is to schedule. Now for this schedule is this is actually the best, because for example today is the 5th of September. I can decide to schedule this video. It's already giving me a kind of suggestion on when this video should go up and it's telling me 6th of September. Like I said, today is 5th of September. So I can decide to go ahead with this exact time that YouTube is giving me, and I can decide to choose any other time that I feel is okay. Now, if I know my audience and I know when they watch my videos best, that will be the best time for you to schedule your videos. You can decide to set it as premiere if it's a music, if it's a blockbuster movie, and you've already told your audience on different platforms that, oh, this movie is going to be up by this time. You can decide to set it as premiere. So now what this does is that it allows YouTube to analyze your topic, analyze your tags, analyze your video, and know the exact people to send your video to. That is what this does for you. If you just put your video on public immediately you upload, the YouTube algorithm does not understand that video. It might just put it on anybody. So for example, now I don't watch lifestyle content and your video comes up to somebody like me, all I'm going to do is just swipe and pass, because that is not the kind of content I watch. But once your video has been there, like it's on private or is on unlisted or is on schedule, it gives the YouTube algorithm time to select who and who loves to watch your kind of niche. That is why it is not so advisable to put your video on public immediately. So if you'll be making this particular mistake on YouTube, this is time for you to correct it and do what is right. So if you go ahead and do this, this will help your YouTube channel get more views in no time, and before you know it, you'll be able to monetize your YouTube channel. For me, this step worked for me because in 5 weeks I was able to monetize my YouTube channel. Yes, I was able to get my 4,000 watch hour and 1,000 subscribers in 5 weeks. So in some other video, I'm going to be sharing with you the strategy, another kind of strategy that I use to monetize my YouTube channel. I'll share that with you in another video. So I've done tutorials on how to monetize your Facebook account, how to monetize your Facebook page. I've also done a tutorial on that. You can click the link below to actually watch that tutorial on how to monetize your Facebook account through content monetization. Through that video, you can also get to have a one-on-one with me. If you want a one-on-one tutorial on how to go about all of this, whether Facebook, whether YouTube, you just click that link. It will give you access to me. So guys, try this out and let me know what you observed on your YouTube channel. So if you're a small YouTuber, let us know in the comment section. You can actually get other YouTubers like yourself who are also trying to grow, and you can help yourselves grow. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and turn on your notification button.